first item we need is some ground turkey, followed by your flavors of seasonings that you would like to use, but this is what I am using. Maple seasoning, along with buttery burger blend seasoning, some minced onions, some A1 sauce, and my favorite, some onion soup. So now let's get busy. So I did pick up the 85% lean, 15% fat-free turkey. This is my absolute favorite. So what I'm going to do is just take this and put it over into the bowl, add all of my seasonings, and we're going to get to stirring. My question is to you, have you ever had cheeseburger shish kebabs or kebabs? These are the best, and it is so much fun for little children. So it's just not adult friendly, it is definitely kid friendly. Put it out on a platter, put it out with some ketchup and mustard, and let the kids have so much fun. Or if you're having a girls' day or a date night, this is absolutely something that is very fun also. Now we want to blend all of this very well and even. So if it takes you a few minutes, as long as you have all of it blended, you'll have some outstanding patties. So what I am going to be cooking these on is my all-Clyde indoor grill. So this grill, guys, is absolutely fantastic. So I did spray with some butter oil, and now I am going to make some patties, and I want them small because remember, they are going to go as shish kebabs, so you don't want them real big. So remember, they will shrink. So you don't want to make them so small, but you want to make them the right size. So now, bam, we have them all rolled, pat, and put out together. So guys, they are cooking, they are searing. I do have it on sear. You have so many different temperatures that you can cook on this all-Clyde indoor grill. So I do have mine set on searing because I want those beautiful grill marks. So now after about 5 minutes, I go ahead and turn them, and guys, look at that mark. You can grill inside if you don't like mosquitoes, gnat, or the heat. Or with this grill, the outstanding part about it, if you want something barbecue, burgers, hot dogs, you can do this in your house during the winter months. cheese. So this is one of the best items that I picked up. All Clyde did a perfect job with this. So guys, I am flipping them and I'm giving them just a tad bit of a pat. But remember, you want them as mini burgers and not meatballs. So now while the other side is searing, I am now going to go ahead and cut my cheese. I am using Walmart brand Great Value cheese. And the slices, I am going to be cutting these in quarters. So in 4 pieces, 1 slice into 4s. To the burgers, look at this, absolutely so yummy. And let me tell you, the reason why they're a little darker is because of the maple seasoning. So that maple brown sugar will alter your grill marks, but guys, it did not hinder not one thing. They were absolutely delicious. So here I am adding the quarter pieces of cheese on each one of them. I have turned my temperature down to warm just for the cheese to melt on. So now on to cutting and preparing your tomatoes. You can use cherry tomatoes if you like. I absolutely love these because they are just the right size to go onto the skews for the burgers. So I am cutting these, and I don't want them so thick, but I do want them thick enough to go onto the burger. Plus, the biggest thing, guys, if you use these tomatoes, make sure the tomato is semi-hard. You don't want it very soft. Now to step over and start cutting your onion, I am using a Vidalia onion. It is also called a sweet onion. So this has the texture that is absolutely so delicious grilled. And to add it on a burger, outstanding. It would absolutely be so good. So I am using a Vidalia onion, but I will be cutting this a little bit different. How I cut my onion is in 4s, quarters of 4s. It's the same. So it's 1 cut, slide, and then the next cut. You want your onion to have the same size of your burger patty. So you don't want to cut it so small because you won't get the full taste of it. So make sure that it is a great size for your patties that you prepared. And I did not add this on the items needed because this is by choice. I absolutely love bell peppers. Doesn't matter what color. The yellow or the orange would be absolutely delicious in this, but I did do mine with green just to bring in some more of the green color. So I am cutting this in chunks just in case you decide to add this to your kebabs. Now it is time to cut our lettuce. You can also use spinach, but I am using this lettuce because I absolutely love it. I did take the very top of the lettuce and discard that. So now I am going to cut this, and I want to make sure that it's a little big. I always say, if you're going to give me a burger with lettuce, make sure I see it and definitely I can taste it. So now all of our veggies are well prepared. Our tomatoes, bell peppers, onions, lettuce, and some sweet pickles. And they're so good. Here are my kebab skewers. And it is the last thing are those barbecue turkey patties. Okay guys, so now we're on to the fun part where the children can jump in and have fun also. So it is preparing our kebabs. So I like to start mine off with a bell pepper because they are very, very tender. I am now adding lettuce, one of my patties, a sweet pickle, and a fun fact about me guys, I don't like dill pickles. So that is the reason why I am adding a sweet pickle. Now followed by an onion and a tomato. See the size of that tomato is absolutely perfect. So to add my lettuce around this, I'm going to do this one as a lettuce wrap type. So I just pull it to the end and I poke my lettuce right on in. So this is one that you will have ready and prepared. And look at there guys, just look at all of the color. Look how that red pop, then all of a sudden the white from the onion pop. Absolutely so beautiful. And another reason guys, the reason why I add the cheese on first, because when you get ready to go on to sear it, the one thing it will do, you will lose your cheese. So this is the best way to keep all of your cheese. So look at these. They look absolutely so tasty. Look at there. You see all the beautiful colors. But guys, it is time to put them on to get them seared. Now I want to add them back onto my grill, and my grill was clean, so look there. As you put them on, you can see the steam coming straight off, and it's going to grill that lettuce, the tomato, the pickle, the onion, and that green pepper. So this has been about 5 minutes now, and it is time to turn them, and they're looking absolutely so good. So when you flip them, you can see all the sear marks on the onions, the lettuce, and as I was turning, the lettuce, the onion, and the pepper was sweaty. Yes guys, sweaty, because you know those are the cold items. So it was smelling absolutely so delicious in my house. I should have had some smell-o-vision. So I let the other other side seared for another 5 minutes, and this is what it's looking like. So I'm going to flip them once again, and they're looking so tasty. Now you can see the difference in the lettuce, guys. So delicious. And not only you as an adult would enjoy this. This is a summer treat for children. Absolutely so much fun. So now it is time to remove them. I have seared them on all sides, so it is time to remove them. So, are you ready for the reveal? So, here it is. Oh, yeah. So, here are the cheeseburger kebabs, followed by some fries, crinkle cut, and a watermelon teaser. So, yes, this is what it looks like. Please like, comment, subscribe, thumbs up my video. Please do share it out. And you know what I say at the end, I gotta go, but I will be back. And until the next time, guys, bye.